Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today we are going to be putting together our U248424, which is our utility pantry, 24 inches wide and 84 inches tall. This cabinet consists of 4 doors. To assemble your cabinet, you'll need a box cutter for unpacking, a rubber mallet for gentle adjustments, a nail gun with 1.5 inch nails, an 18 gauge staple gun for fastening, a screwdriver, and a power drill for quick assembly. Let's take a look at each component. Bumper stops for smooth door closing, corner brackets to connect the frame to the sides and back, soft close door hinges, 1/2 inch screws for the L brackets, 5/8 inch screws for the hinges, 1 1/4 inch screws for general assembly, 1 inch wood screws, shelf support pins to hold adjustable shelves securely. Now that we've reviewed each part, let's move on to the assembly process. We'll begin by placing the hinges into each of the pre-drilled holes. Next, use the 5/8 inch screws to securely attach the hinges onto both sides. Finally, add bumper stops to each corner of the door for a soft, secure close. We'll start by placing the cabinet face frame flat on the table. Once you've done this, attach the L brackets. These should be positioned facing the grooves of the face frame. The holes are pre-drilled, so secure the brackets using the panhead screws provided in the box. Once the L brackets are in place, insert each side panel into the grooves. Make sure they are properly aligned and flush with the top of the cabinet face frame. Misalignment here could cause issues in later steps. This step also ensures that all grooves line up correctly at the bottom of the cabinet. After the sides are secured, insert the bottom panel into the cabinet. If needed, use a rubber mallet to gently tap it into place for a secure fit. Finally, take the back panel of the cabinet and slide it into position. Then you'll further secure the panel using your nail gun. Once you've inserted the back panel, you will secure it using the 1 1/4 inch screws in the pre-drilled holes. Secure the toe kick onto the face of the cabinet by placing it flat and making sure its sides are even with the side of the cabinet panel. You can secure it using a nail gun on each side into the side panel. Here you'll grab another L bracket and you'll use your 1/2-inch screws to secure the toe kick to the bottom shelf of the cabinet. Then attach these onto the side panels of your cabinet. Your cabinets will also come with shelf pegs. You'll see pre-drilled holes on each of the side panels. You may put the shelf pegs in any position of your choosing,